Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jeet Physics Tech. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for daily updates. Friends, today we are learn about uniform circular motion, which is in the last topic of this chapter of class 9th. Now firstly know what is circular motion. Any body when it moves in a circular path with a uniform acceleration is called uniform circular motion. And circular motion, any body which move in a circular path or circular way is called circular motion. Let's take a diagram to understand. So friends, when body moves in circular orbit or path with uniform acceleration is called uniform circular motion. As example, it's a circular path and there is a car which is moving with a speed of 3 km per second. Here his speed is 3 km per second at a point, and in their point its speed is also 3 km per second. In this point also 3 km per second, in this point also 3 km per second. So its speed is constant, not varying, but the direction is varying in all point. Direction is changing in all point. So velocity, if we can say, velocity is, I had to explain you in previous topic, velocity is equal to speed plus direction. So in this diagram the speed is not changing, speed is constant, but the direction is changing in all point. Each and every point direction is changing, so the velocity is also change, because if any one will be changed then the velocity also change. So velocity will change, and if the velocity change, it possesses acceleration. Change in velocity possesses acceleration. So it have acceleration. All body which is moving and changing a direction or change in velocity, then that body have acceleration. Now friends, here come a word uniform acceleration. Do you know uniform acceleration? Let's understand uniform acceleration. Friends, uniform acceleration, if a velocity change constantly at a constant rate, then acceleration is called uniform acceleration. If a body velocity change constantly at a constant rate, then acceleration is called uniform acceleration. As you can see in this diagram, here some points the speed is constant each and every point. If the speed is not changing, speed is constant, then the time taken to complete one rotation and then another one rotation is also do not change. So it's have a uniform acceleration. And example of uniform acceleration you can note down. Uniform acceleration example is earth rotate and revolve around sun with a uniform acceleration. Friends, I hope you understand the uniform acceleration. Now come on next topic. Friends, let's take another example which diagram I am showing you. Friends, is our now diagram of example number 2nd. Friends, let's take a stone and attach it with the thread. It is thread. it's a thread, and if we are standing somewhere here, here is our hand and it's a thread and it's a stone at a point A, stone. Now stand and put that thread on your hand and rotate continuously. Now our hand is in center, hand is center, our hand is in center and the stone is in uniform circular motion. Now suppose the thread break from here, from our hand, so stone will go in which direction? Stone will go in perpendicular direction, tangential to circumference, which is tangential to circumference. And if the thread is break in that point, from that point the circumference will the tangential to circumference. Okay friends, I hope you understand. If the thread is break down, the direction of velocity is tangential, always tangential, means this is the circumference and that from radius perpendicular line is called tangential of circumference. So friends, if the thread break down, that its tendency to stone tendency to go is not in circular direction, it will go in tangential position, that is perpendicular the radius. So friends, if anyone ask you that in a circular motion, if the stone will go in which direction, that you can say only in tangential position. Tangential means that is the line which tangential means that the line which perpendicular to radius, which is perpendicular to radius, and the tangent line will make in any point will always perpendicular to radius. Okay friends. Now friends, that was concept to find velocity direction. Now how we can find velocity of this circular motion body. So let's come to our topic, how to find velocity of circular motion of body. To find speed in circular motion. Friends, what is the formula of speed? I have tell you in previous topic, speed is equal to distance upon time. So what is the distance? Distance is the circumference. The circumference of circle is distance covered by body which is moving in circular motion. So distance will be, what is the formula of circumference of circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r upon t. Speed is equal to 2 pi r upon t. That is the formula you have to learn for circular motion speed. It is the formula. And friends, if body move in half circle, only in half circle, start from point A and point B, stop at point B. So the area of circumference of half circle formula is speed of half circle is equal to a circumference of half circle formula is pi r upon t. It's our formula ready. So friends, I hope you all understand. So friends, if you have any problem related to this topic or this video, you can comment me. Friends, thanks for watching my channel Jeet Physics Tech. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily update. Bye bye.